I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Darrick. And Darrick, happy Edgeversary, happy hairiversary. Incredible. I saw your follow-up pictures that you emailed to us. And
My experience was overall really good. It went better than what I expected. I really didn't know what I was getting myself into. I was like, maybe just some kind of rip off, or maybe just kind of like a little scam or something like that. But but nah, it's nothing like that. It's Dr. Siegel and his staff. It's the truth, and I wouldn't change anything. I have no regrets. And if I had to do it again, I would.
thank you. Well, you don't have to do it again because your results are incredible. You definitely, when you take your wicks down, you'll see that you got your hairline back. You were definitely thinning out on top. Your incision site almost invisible. Is that correct?
Oh yeah, it's gone. Yeah, it's definitely gone. Yeah,
But what do your friends and family say about your hair now?
everyone was surprised that I actually went through with it, and was surprised by the result. And I have so many people that compliment me on it. And like, I have a couple friends that they want to get it done. I actually sent someone that actually had it done, and man, and it's going real good. And but everyone loved the way it looked. They say I got my youth back.
And once you have your hairline back, your shoulders go back a little bit. You feel just a little bit more confident, and it shows.
Yeah, it's definitely a game changer. I tell you that. I'm just always so used to the way I have my hair right now. I'm always so used to just wearing my hair up because my hair's so long when I that. But I wear it down proudly with confidence when I don't have anything going on. But it just a little normal routine that I do right now. But I'm willing. I'll be glad to show it off because I have no complaints at all. I have no regrets.
Let's go ahead and do the reviewing for everybody.
All right.
And I'm going to show your before and after pictures so you can see he has his entire front hairline back.
Mhm.
I did not have that to work with. I had maybe one or two strands of hair that I was playing around with.
I'm definitely real pleased with it. I'm real satisfied with how things turned out. Like I said, I have no regrets at all. I have no regrets at all about the procedure, and it just I thank y'all. I thank y'all for what y'all done for me, and taking the time and get me right. Help me get my confidence back.
If you have my personal telephone number. If you ever need anything, you're going to reach out to me. But continue staying young and wear the hair in good health.
Yeah. I have one more thing to say. Like, I did my research and everything before I actually went along with the call and the consultation and everything like that. And I found other places and everything like that. But yours really caught my attention because I see you specialize in people of color as well. And not only that, I saw the reviews, and that kind of pulled me towards you. So again, I appreciate you and I thank you.
Thank you very much, and keep in touch. Don't ever be a stranger. If you're here in Fort Lauderdale, swing by the office. Would love to see you in person. And thank you again for doing this video for me.
I definitely will. I definitely will.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.